this Stearman had an off-runway excursion, busted its left wings. We've repaired them, and now they're going back on.
Can you feel it? It's all around me. The whole world starts to change. Ready? Let's go. Ready? It's time. Let's go. The whole world starts to change.
Well, the wings are pinned on, wires are pinned on, everything's kind of loose. Starting to tighten nuts down. We leveled the airplane and we're gonna try and rig it now. So we're gonna drop some plumb bobs and do some measurement, use dihedral boards and so forth.
Ready? Let's go.
Well, we ran into a couple of unidentified issues, so we're gonna have to take a break and come back tomorrow.